Good day, everyone. Good day wherever you are. Today we are making chicken salad recipe. Before we start, I want to appreciate everyone, my subscribers, my returning subscribers, my new ones. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Thank you for all you have done. Thank you. I really appreciate you. My viewers, I appreciate you too because you guys are wonderful. Those that are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell. In case I load a new video, you will be the first to know, and share my video to your friends and family. Please, everyone, anytime you watch my video, thumbs up for my video, like my video. Thank you, everyone. We have chicken here, okay? I have lemon here. Let's drop a little lemon juice, sorry. Okay, have ketchup, okay. Mustard. We have balsamic vinegar, okay. We have black pepper, my paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, nut cube, I'm going to mix it together. To place it inside the chicken so that we just don't marinate it. Okay. Now I'm going to place it inside the oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour, okay, for 180 degrees, okay. This is our rocket salad, okay. I'm going to use rocket salad in this recipe. Okay, guys, yummy rocket salad. I washed the bell pepper already. Okay. Tomatoes, try not to remove the skin. Okay, try not to remove the skin. It's very good for the body. Now we separate it. I washed the avocado already. Okay. Yummy avocado. Okay. Yummy avocado. For the body, okay. Yummy. Okay. To prepare the oil for the salad, okay? This is our lemon. I'm going to remove the seed. Okay, got the lemon juice, extra virgin oil, okay? Headaches. Depend on the quantity you are preparing, okay? Okay. Black pepper. And you add a little salt to taste. Whoa. Mix together. Voila, this is my oil for my rocket salad. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is nice, guys. Try this. This is the rocket salad. I'm going to add the oil, okay? Okay, yummy, yummy salad. This is great. Guys, try this rocket salad and you will enjoy it. And you add a little oil on top. Okay. Try and just do it your own way, okay? So that you and your family will enjoy it. Thank you, my beautiful ones. I love you guys. You guys are super wonderfully made by God. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you, my subscribers, my new ones, my old ones. You guys are super. My viewers, you guys are wonderful too. I love you guys. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like my video anytime you watch my video. And share my video to your friends and family. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.